ebusia for Mala was in such in America say the team we secondly to Takoradi Road under construction. With this you can see very improvement. But then the corner I check they started doing I think election before way back election time but every day still under construction. We are not seeing anything, yeah. Anyway, they are, actually road no so I'll be come up the piano more boy you my idea. I said they be and no more you my young watch and no more you my whole lot of shit. Anyways, from my idea. It's good that when you are in a country and they are doing something is improving. It's very good, it's a very good one. So yeah, bumper is maybe within this year they will finish. If you even this is Bakechil. Yes, secondly Bakechil, and you can say they are really improving. The road are getting better gradually, and that's fine. But then I check too much. This what we don't like. I check too much. We have some effective things. If someone go or pass that road and maybe that person is having some serious sickness, this road can not unborn an idea. So you have to do something very fast, very quick, so that people will not get sick, a whole lot of stuff. This is Wilson Sechi. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment to this video. Thank you. Abutala. Abutala.